Hey, Scout!
Oh, hi there, Gumboot Kids.
Let's run around. Come on, make some noise. We'll play outside. Solve some of nature's magical mysteries. We're living, loving life's adventures. Oh yeah, that's how it is.
Come on!
When you're a Gumboot Kid.
Hi-ho, Gumboot Kids. I'm Sir Scout, the bravest knight in the realm. How do you like my shield and sword? Reminds me of something I saw at the pond today. It was quite extraordinary. A tiptoeing shield. What could that be? Well, that's today's nature mystery, the case of the tiptoeing shield. Let's check out my field notes for 3 clues to help you solve the mystery. Clue number 1.
Wetland.
Check it out. Follow me.
You found it! The shore of a pond is called a wetland. Now, clue number 2.
Tracks.
Look, down there. Those are animal tracks.
I wonder what made these tracks.
You're getting closer, Gumboot Kids. Clue number 3.
Oval.
Look, I see something oval.
So cool. That's a turtle.
Well done! You found all 3 clues. Now let's put them together to solve the case of the tiptoeing shield. You found a wetland and some tracks in the mud that led to an oval shell. But where's the tiptoeing shield?
The turtle is walking on its tiptoes.
That's right, nature detectives. Turtles walk on their tiptoes. But what about the shield?
I know, the turtle's shell protects it from danger, like a shield.
Well done! The turtle is the tiptoeing shield.
We did it! Case closed! Yay!
Way to go! Now let's pause and have a mindful moment. Sometimes people need to retreat just like a turtle. Since we don't have shells, we have to find our own ways to find peace and quiet. Some people like to sit comfortably and breathe deeply. Others like to listen to music, or read, or just daydream. When quiet time is over, we often have more energy. What do you like to do during your quiet time?
So I'm gonna walk real slowly. I'm gonna take my time. 'Cause I know everything I need is gonna bring me peace of mind. I'm talking about my shallow. I'm talking about my green and oval shell. I'm talking about my shallow. I'm talking about my green and oval shell. It's my very own shell. It's mine, oh mine. It keeps me safe all the time. It's my very own shell. It's mine, oh mine. Slow and steady wins the race. So I'm gonna walk real slowly. I'm gonna take my time.
I really loved pretending to be a knight and having adventures today, but it sure feels good to retreat to the peace and quiet of home, don't you think? Good night, Gumboot Kids.
Good night, Scout.
So I'm gonna walk real slowly. I'm gonna take my time. Oh, I'm gonna walk real slowly. I'm gonna take my time.